information, the gold for business and the digital world today. It's the foundation on which all our businesses sustain and grow. But it's become a huge challenge to manage all this information because it sits at multiple places. It could be your emails, messaging platforms, news articles, websites, or even your corporate products like your ERP, CRM, accounts, HRMS. There's information everywhere. And not everything is really relevant for you or your business. It needs to be on record, but it's not something which will help you in your decision making. How do you manage that crucial piece of information from this entire gigantic piles of information to which makes a difference and which helps you decide what to do to help your business grow better and faster? Huge problem, right? Luckily, we have a solution. I'm excited to show you what Highlight, a unified information management and business collaboration platform, can give you. Highlight gives you a unique and easy and instant way to help you pull all this information from all these different places onto our platform Highlight. So you can actually get multiple formats of information from unlimited places easily and instantly on Highlight. Not only can you get it there, you can interconnect it on multiple parameters. So all your information is connected in multiple parameters, which is not restricted to random files in a folder. Sounds interesting, right? It doesn't stop there. Not only can you interconnect it, you can also find it instantly when you need it. Let's say you have to find information which is 2 years old. Challenge to find, right? In fact, that is the problem I had. There was a huge project we were bidding for, and we needed to fish out some old information. And we tried, and we just could not find it in time, and we lost that huge opportunity. And then I decided there has to be a better way to stay on top of information so that other people in business do not face this problem. And that's how we created Highlight. Not only this information easily, but on Highlight you can collaborate with all your stakeholders, and we give you easy and secured way of collaborating with your entire team on multiple fronts, multiple parameters, and in multiple ways. So Highlight is information management and collaboration on one single platform. So at Highlight, we make it really easy for you to get all your information that matters from unlimited places, interconnect it on multiple parameters, and find it instantly on your fingertips whenever, wherever you need it. All this without any compromise on the security. In fact, you can actually control on Highlight how your stakeholders use that information, who can edit it, who can forward or share it, how your information flows. And when I'm saying information, it's not limited to data files. There are quite a few solutions to do that today. On Highlight, information can be a data file, it could be a text note, it could be a chat conversation, reminder, calendar, URL, even a video call recording. Everything is possible on one single integrated platform. That's Highlight for you. So, which is why we say, use Highlight and help it make you powerful, productive, and profitable. That's the power Highlight brings to you and to your business. So, are you using Highlight yet? Why not? Just check out and try Highlight and see how it highlights your life and your business and helps you become more powerful, productive, and profitable. Is that not what business is all about? Look forward to see you on Highlight. Thank you.